been trying to conceive for some time or considered pregnancy, then chances are that you may have either considered taking folic acid or come across it. Folic acid belongs to the B group of vitamins. The B vitamins are known to help the cells grow and reproduce properly, as well as helping to produce energy by breaking down foods. As a water-soluble vitamin, the body must get a regular supply of folic acid every day, as it can't be stored by the body. Folic acid has been demonstrated to lessen the risk of your baby developing spina bifida and other neural tube birth abnormalities. Folic acid must be taken before becoming pregnant and continued during the pregnancy to be effective. Folic acid is a key micronutrient for fetal development and growth. The body requires a lot of folic acid, especially in preterm infants, particularly during the period of rapid growth. The intake of folic acid supplements at recommended doses has been consistently linked to lower frequency of infertility, lower risks of pregnancy loss, and greater success in infertility treatment. Research has confirmed that maternal dietary supplementation with folic acid in the periconceptional period significantly reduces the risk of neural tube defects. As such, it is important for anyone who is trying to conceive to consider supplementing with folic acid to help support and maintain a healthy pregnancy. This has been brought to you by Purely Fertility. Visit www.purelyfertility.com to learn more about our uniquely formulated supplements.